Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by connecting physical components. Plug your Xbox HDMI into the capture card input and connect the card's HDMI out to your TV or monitor for pass-through. Then attach the capture card to your PC via USB. Once done, install drivers so Windows recognizes the device. You do this now so OBS can detect the signal, and so latency-free gameplay stays on your display. Make sure the capture card is set to the correct input and resolution, matching the Xbox output. You then launch OBS and add a video capture device source, choosing the capture card from the device list. This is how OBS receives the Xbox signal. Once selected, set the resolution and FPS to match your Xbox 1080p 60 or desired. Next, configure audio capture to bring in game sound, either via the capture device or desktop audio, and set up a separate mic input for your voice. Finally, compose scenes with overlays and scale the source so the output looks professional. Make sure you finish by setting OBS output. Choose bitrate suited to your upload speed, around 6000 kbps for 1080p 60 streaming, and pick a recording format and encoder. Run a quick test recording or stream to verify video quality and audio sync. If audio drifts, enable a sync offset in OBS for the mic or capture device. If you see no signal, try a different HDMI cable, update capture card firmware, confirm USB port bandwidth, and restart devices. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.